In a little while you'll be seeing I'm suing the BBC for putting words in my mouth, literally, they put words in my mouth. They had me saying things that I never said coming out. I guess they used AI or something.
Perezida Donald Trump yatanze ikirego arega ikigo cy'itangazamakuru BBC asaba indishyi ingana na miliyari 10 z'amadolari abashinja kumuharabika no gukoresha uburyo bwo kuyobya no gucuruza butaboneye. Ese BBC yakoze amakosa akomeye cyangwa ni intambara ya politike n'itangazamakuru? Reka tubisobanure. Muraho neza, ikaze kuri Urban Point. Aha dukora isesengura ryimbitse ry'amakuru mpuzamahanga nta kubogama, dushingiye ku byemejwe n'inzego zibishinzwe. Kora subscribe nonaha mbere yo gukomeza video. Perezida wa Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika Donald Trump yatanze ikirego mu rukiko rwo muri Florida asaba BBC indishyi zingana na miliyari 10 z'amadolari. Muri ayo mafaranga miliyari 5 azishyurwa icyaha cyo gusebya, andi miliyari 5 akaba ajyanye n'ibikorwa by'ubucuruzi bidakurikije amategeko bizwi nka fair trade practice. Iki kirego gishingiye ku nyandiko ivuga ko BBC yahinduye nkana amagambo Trump yavuze ku wa 6 Mutarama muri 2021.
This egregious assault on our democracy. And after this, we're going to walk down, and I'll be there with you. We're going to walk down.
Trump avuga ko BBC yahuje ibice bibiri bitandukanye by'ijambo rye byavugiwe mu masaha atandukanye igahindura ibisobanuro by'ibyo yavuze. Mu makuru ya BBC, amagambo Trump yavuze agaragaza nkaho yashishikariza abantu kujya kurwana, avuga ngo fight like hell. Nyamara hari igice cyari cyakaswemo aho Trump yasabye abayoboke be kwigaragambya mu mahoro.
We fight like hell, and if you don't fight like hell, you're not going to have a country anymore. We're going to walk down to the Capitol, and we're going to cheer on our brave senators and congressmen and women, and we're probably not going to be cheering so much for some of them.
Iyi documentary yiswe Trump A Second Chance yatambutse kuri BBC iminsi mike mbere y'amatora ya perezida wa Amerika muri 2024. Trump avuga ko iyi documentary ari igamije kumwangiriza izina no kugira uruhare mu guhindura uko bazatora babona abakandida. Nubwo BBC yemeje ko habayeho ikosa mu guhindura video, yanze kwemera ko yasebeje Trump.
The apologizing is for the way the team edited President Trump's speech to his supporters on January the 6th.
Chairman wa BBC Samir Shah yavuze ko byari ikosa ryo kwitonda neza, ariko iryo kosa ryatumye abakozi bakuru babiri ba BBC begura.
Panorama, so they knew about that. But I think the point I'm making is, in hindsight, we should have acted earlier and taken a more formal.
Trump ubwe yavuze ko BBC yamushyiriye mu kanwa amagambo atigeze avuga. Mu magambo ye yagize ati,
even the media can't believe that one. They actually put terrible words in my mouth having to do with January 6th.
Bashyize mu kanwa kanjye amagambo mabi ntigeze mvuga, maze amagambo meza navuze ku bijyanye no gukunda igihugu n'ibyiza bya Amerika barayirengagiza. Nubwo iyi documentary itigeze itambutswa kuri televiziyo zo muri Amerika, Trump avuga ko abanyamerika bashoboye kuyireba banyuze kuri BritBox cyangwa bakoresheje VPN. Impuguke mu by'amategeko zivuga ko uru rubanza rushobora guhura n'imbogamizi, cyane ko igihe cyo kurega mu nkiko z'Ubwongereza cyarangiye umwaka ushize, ndetse ko bigoye kwerekana ingaruka mu gihe video itatambutse ku mugaragaro muri Amerika. BBC yatangaje ko iziregura mu nkiko, ariko ikanga kugira byinshi ivuga ku rubanza rukiri mu nzira. Iyi nkuru irongera kugaragaza umubano ugoye uri hagati ya politike n'itangazamakuru, cyane cyane mu bihe by'amatora. Ese uru rubanza ruzatsindwa nande? Niki bizasigira itangazamakuru mpuzamahanga? Turakomeza kubikurikirana. Niba ukunze iyi video, kanda subscribe, like kandi utubwire igitekerezo cyawe muri comment. Murakoze cyane, turongera tubonane mu yindi video nziza cyane.